it, man, I gotta get my hustle on. The grind is gritty in my city, I bring all the bacon home. My steak and potatoes, I feed to my gators. They breed in the envy, I feed to my haters. Oh, slave.
Minus the one that was the out of counter. Getting rid of them. And this is without the scheduled breaks, which part of me is a little hesitant about getting rid of the breaks. But if we did add those 2 breaks back in, we would be that 3:30. But my only other comment would be I would want to tweak the order. Like I would want that AI impact on your intellectual property would be right after the other AI so that there's, unless you guys like that's okay. Well, for the rest of it, I think it's fine. Right.
Also, you have to stick with the presenter.
Yeah, what time they want to be at.
Yes, they already have appointments to do something somewhere else at a particular time. You might maybe they
So since we allowed them to speak, and we have another presenter here, Corey, did you want to speak, and do we have any other presenters?
Yes.
Corey, will you like to briefly address us?
Hello, Arts Council. Hello. Everyone else, how are you doing? My name is Corey Williams, and I am an artist. I'm a local artist, and I would like to just announce participation, or I would like to participate and maybe even present at the awards, at the artists conference coming up. I'm here to answer any questions or why I may be qualified. What I would like to talk about is STAR, basically. STAR to me is an acronym: Superior Talent, Arrogantly Rising. You have to have a lot of confidence, you have to believe highly in yourself, and that's basically what I want to talk about: believing in yourself, being a star, identifying star talent, quality, identifying those things that can make you be successful. So if anyone just has any general question, that's what I would like to talk about at the Artists Council. And like I said, I'm an artist myself. I'm a poet. Also, I do painting. And I have an offering that I wrote today. I'm sorry I didn't memorize it, but if you would like to hear it, it doesn't have any curse words or blue language. It's called Caged Bird Hollerin. See, I'm the Jay-Z of the South. You won't hear about me by headlines, maybe by word of mouth. See, I talk with a southern drawl, meaning my R's are real heavy. But I float like a bird when it comes to these words. I got a letter in the mail the other day. I opened it, I read it. It said I was a sucker. I asked for help to go to school or whatever. The people said, nah, brother. These lines I chimed, I wish weren't true. I need to say, these lines are true in the red, white, and blue. What I do, except for follow a dream, I follow Dr. King for what all that means. I drank the Kool-Aid that fed me hope. I played basketball instead of slinging dope. Excuse me, y'all, if I go off script. Kind of speaking from the heart. I'm gonna thank Miss Gail, because she gave me my start. I'm just a brother, and I need some help. Turn my yell into a yelp. As we take these healing steps, we need to build another center. So I can tell you my story, how Miss Gail Williams helped raise a young boy named Corey. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Time is ticking, man, I gotta get my hustle on. The grind is gritty in my city, I bring all the bacon home. I steak and potatoes, I feed to my gators. The greed and the envy, I feed to my haters. Oh, slave.